Hey guys, we made a super cute and easy funfetti cookie recipe. To get the dough started, you will need 2 softened sticks of butter, 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, mix until creamy, it should look something like this. Add 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now beat together. For our dry ingredients, add 2 1/2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Sift 1/4 cup of cornstarch. ¾ teaspoon of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt. Now add in ½ cup of pastel colored quins like we used, or any pastel colored sprinkles of your choice. Now scoop out some of your dough, making them any size that you would like. Roll them out into balls, placing them on your cookie tray. This step is optional. You can flatten the balls for thinner, crispier cookies, or leave them as is for softer, fluffier cookies. We used a cup with a little parchment paper to prevent it from sticking. Bake at 350 for 10 minutes. To make our frosting, we use 3 ounces of softened cream cheese. Mix the cream cheese until it's creamy. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar, mix until all the powder is dissolved. Add 1 tablespoon of milk of your choice, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, Once your cookies have completely cooled, add your frosting. To decorate, add more of your pastel confetti quins or sprinkles of your choice. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to comment. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video.